Right, another quirky aircraft from Westland, this time the Westland Whirlwind, not to be confused with the Westland Whirlwind, which was a helicopter which Westland produced in I think the 50s and 60s, used for air sea rescue, but no, this is the Whirlwind twin engine fighter. Quite an unusual design. Rolls-Royce, I think they were Peregrine engines on this one, forward facing obviously, nose mounted I meant to say, cannons for them. Similar sort of idea as the Mosquito for the leading edge radiator intakes, and very nice thin wings. This is the first one I've had with using a radio aerial, using Easy Line to fit that out. I've tried to use ordinary glue, I think, on the either end. I still got more practicing to do for fitting those, to get the tension right, and it'll be better at it soon enough, I suppose. I think this was an airfix kit. I can't remember, to be honest. It's not a new tooling by any chance, by any measure, but I managed to get the propellers working. And the side, you've got quite a bit of detail. If the wheels, you can model them to go round. Sometimes they're a bit out of line, but that's what you get when you have the two separate parts of the undercarriage. Sometimes they can be a bit loose, but not a problem. The green is probably the wrong shade for my liking. I'd probably prefer a more of an olivey green colour, but again, it's what is called out on the kit instructions. Really sleek aircraft. It's a shame really that more weren't designed by this, but I'm sure there were one or two design flaws which came to light in combat, or there may have been other priorities of which aircraft to build, I don't know, but yeah, good old quirky Westland, with certainly didn't copy many other people's designs when it came to their ideas, but yeah, there you go. It's I'm not sure if the lettering is supposed to be that day glow colour, but it's supposed to be the green that you get with old, used to be on the underside, didn't it? You get, like the early Spitfires, you get that green colour, but they've obviously kept it at the time for the lettering and the banding on the tail. Not a lot I can say about this. Not a hard builder by any measure. Again, it's one of my new phrases, by any measure. Some nice decals, you get extra parts. This one, as you can see on here, it cracked, so I must have had a bit of a problem there with the decal. But you get quite a lot of detail with the underside decals that you don't always get. There you go, the Westland Whirlwind, not the helicopter.